Hi guys, today I'm going to be telling you guys all about this hair, some hair that I purchased from my local beauty supply store, which is affordable. So yes, if you want to know all about this hair, and also I did style it a little bit for you guys as well. So if you want to see how I got this look and you want to know about this hair, stay tuned for the video, okay? Okay, so I'm going to be talking to you guys while I put my wig on and tell you guys how I'm liking it so far. This is the Pristine 100% human hair. It is in the texture Brazilian. The lengths that I got were a 14, 16, 18. It comes in straight. And then I also got a 14-inch closure that came with it as well. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is by Main Concept. Now I did purchase this at my beauty supply store and it was $99 for 3 bundles and a closure. This is what my wig is looking like. Now let me just tell you guys, this color does come in the color natural. Let's just say on the pack. It does come in natural, but I did dye this hair and I just dyed the front of it like a light brown. I did put bleach on this hair and it did get pretty light, so I had just decided to dye it since I saw, that it did get pretty light. I have been rocking this hair on and off for oh, it's very snug. I've been rocking this hair on and off for about 2 months now. I really do like it. This is the length of it. My longest length is an 18-inch. So yeah, I don't believe I trimmed this hair. So yeah, this is the length that it comes in. Does it shed? It does not shed at all. Does it tangle? Well, as you can see, it does tangle a little bit. I did have it stored away because I haven't been wearing it for a couple of days. I've been testing out some other hair. So, but like throughout the day, I don't experience any type of shedding or tangling. So, yeah, so this is what the wig is looking like when I initially put it on. I still got a couple of curls in it. So as you can see, it does curl. This is what my closure is looking like. Honestly guys, when it comes to beauty supply stores and these closures, I feel like if they are going to sell them, they should be a little more up to par, because this closure, like, you cannot part it nowhere other than where the part is initially at, and I really don't like that. If I was able to like part the closure, where I wanted to part it, then that would be better. This is a wig, as you guys saw. I did glue it on to a dome cap, so a mesh dome cap actually. So what I'm doing now, I'm just making sure I have it adjusted on my head the way I want it, and then I'm just going to brush out these little tangles that I'm experiencing with my paddle brush. I am going to add a little Fruity Sleek and Shine to the hair as well. I love using this stuff, like, love it. So my only con about this hair is that it is a little thin on the ends. As you can see, it does come a little thin. I did not put any layers in it at all. I didn't even cut the closure. Like, this is the length of the closure. So yeah, that's the only con that I don't like about this hair. um but honestly guys, this is some pretty good hair. Like, this probably is the best hair that I have purchased from the beauty supply store. Like, the best. And I thought to purchase this hair because I'm like, I know some of my beauties, you know, want to know some hair that they can purchase at the beauty supply store really quick. They won't have to really, you know, order online. So yeah, if you're thinking about purchasing this hair, I do recommend it because $100, like, it's definitely worth it. Honestly, I feel like it should be a little pricier, but I mean, because what hair can you find at the beauty supply store that you can actually dye? I'll wait. So yeah, and it does come in longer lengths. I believe the 18, 20, and 22, or maybe a 16, 18, and 20. I believe that it came in those lengths as well, but it was a little pricier. In my local beauty supply store, I believe it was around $130. So yeah. As I stated, this hair does come straight, but as you can see, like, it does curl, and I'm just putting some little curls in it with my flat irons. And yeah, I mean, there's nothing really I can say much about this hair other than I believe it's been out for a while. I honestly have never seen it at my local beauty supply store, but I am glad that I ran into it because I'm loving the color of it. Like, I'm loving the brown. I honestly wanted the hair to be a little lighter, which it was, but I didn't really like the color that it came out, so I had decided to put a brown dye on it, and this is the color that I received. So yeah, I am kind of thinking about cutting this hair, like in a bob style. If you guys want me to do that on camera, please feel free to comment down below. This is not really the initial review because, as I stated before, I have been rocking it on and off for about 2 months now. But I will come back to show you guys, you know, different styles of this hair, and just like keep you updated on, you know, what my experience is. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. Also, I'm recording in my room. Please feel free to comment down below if you guys like this background better. I'm not sure if it's better quality, but do have like a light. I'm sorry, not a light, but my window is like facing me. So I don't have a ring light yet, so I'm just trying to work with what I got to bring you guys some good quality videos. So yeah, I'm just putting some curls in the hair. Also, guys, if you can, please comment down below some hair that you would like me to try, that you think I can purchase at the local beauty supply store as well, because I have not been purchasing hair at the beauty supply store lately, and I want to, you know, try some out and bring some new styles to you guys. So if you can just be kind enough to leave that comment down below, I would really appreciate it. When I initially wore this hair, I did wear it in the middle part. That's actually how I constructed the wig, and I just felt like it was just a little too flat. So I decided to put it as a side part. So yeah, I don't want this video to be too long, guys, so I'm just going to finish styling it, and I'll come back to show you guys exactly what it looks like. Okay.
You've been out here playing these games while I've been out here holding it down. You haven't been acting the same, acting mad funny when I come around. You said you'd be here forever, boy, you just gave me the run around. I put so much time and effort